Hello friends, today we are here with our fourth chapter, that is climate, and we will discuss the second part of this chapter. So friends, इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे factor affecting climate of India. So friends, let's move ahead and start our discussion with climate. My dear friends, when we talk about factor affecting climate of India, then there are basically four factors which affect climate of India. The very first is latitude, second is altitude, third is air pressure, and fourth is wind. Now friends, let's move ahead and we will discuss each and every factor in detail. Friends, moving ahead, let's continue our discussion with climate. And now we will see the factor affecting climate of India, that is latitude. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of country. अब क्वेश्चन उठता है कि कहां से कहां तक फैला हुआ होता है. Then it spreads from Run of Kutch, which is in west, from Mizoram in east. It means friend, almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer belongs to tropical areas, and इसके अलावा all the remaining area north of the tropic lies in the subtropics. Therefore, Indian climate जो है उसमें इन दोनों की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है, such as tropical as well as subtropical climates. Now friends, let's move ahead. We will continue our discussion with climate, and now we will see the next factor affecting climate of India, that is altitude. My dear friends, जैसा कि हमें पता है, India has mountain to the north which have average height of approx 6,000 meter, that is Himalayas mountain, and इसके अलावा India have vast coastal areas with a maximum height of 30 meters. My dear friends, ये जो हिमालयन माउंटेन है जो कि नॉर्थ में सिचुएटेड हैं, they prevent cold wind from the Central Asia from entering the subcontinent, and because of this, the subcontinent experience comparatively milder winter as compared to Central Asia. Now friends, let's move ahead. We will continue our discussion with climate, and now we will see the next factor which affect the climate of India, that is air pressure or pressure and wind. Friends, when we talk about air pressure, the climate and associated wind condition in India are governed by following atmospheric condition. The very first is upper air circulation. The second one is air pressure check or pressure and surface wind, and the third one is western cyclonic disturbance and tropical cyclones. Now friends, let's move ahead. We will continue our discussion with climate, and now we will discuss the factor affecting climate of India, that is air pressure. My dear friends, when we talk about India, India is located in the region of northeastern trading winds, और ये जो winds होते हैं वो basically originate करते हैं सब tropical high pressure belt of northern hemisphere से, और they blow south, get deflected to the right due to Coriolis force, and move onwards towards the equatorial low pressure area. Friends, we should know here कि what is this Coriolis force? Friends, basically an apparent force which is caused by the Earth rotation. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting winds toward the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is also known as Ferrel laws. Generally, ये जो wind है, they carry very little moisture as they originate and blow over land. इसी की वजह से they bring little or no rain. फिर यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन होता है कि अगर लिटिल या नो रेन की सिचुएशन हो तो इंडिया एक ड्राई कंट्री मानी जानी चाहिए, पर ऐसा नहीं है. Why this is so? So इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हमें आगे मिलेगा. So let's move ahead. And now we will continue our discussion with climate and we will talk about factor affecting climate of India, that is air pressure. Friends, जैसा कि हम पहले डिस्कस किया कि नो रेन या लिटिल रेन की सिचुएशन में इंडिया को एक सूखा कंट्री माना जाना चाहिए, पर ऐसा नहीं है और इसके पीछे रीजन क्या है. So we will discuss that reason over here. So friends, as we know, India air pressure and wind condition are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of the Himalayas. So क्या होता है कि the cold wind blows from this region to the low pressure areas over the ocean to the south. और summer में a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over northwestern India, जिसके कारण this causes a complete reversal of direction of wind during summer, or air move from the high pressure area over the southern India Ocean in a southern easterly direction crossing the equator and turn towards right the low pressure area over the Indian subcontinent. Basically इसको साउदर्न वेस्ट मॉनसून विंड्स भी कहा जाता है. These winds blow over the warm ocean, gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India. और इसी की वजह से भारत में बारिश या रेन होती है. Now friends, let's move ahead. We will continue our discussion with climate and we will talk about factor affecting climate of India. Now we will talk about or continue our discussion with air pressure. My dear friend, the upper air circulation in this region is dominated by westerly flow. An important component of flow is jet stream. अब हमें यहाँ पे ये जानना जरूरी है कि ये jet stream होता क्या है. तो my dear friends, these are narrow belt of high altitude. High altitude means above 12,000 meter westerly winds in the troposphere. Friends, ये जो jet streams की है, its speed varies from 110 km per hour in summer to approx 184 km per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mild latitude and subtropical jet stream. So friend, this was all about jet stream. So now let's move ahead and we will continue our discussion with climate and we will talk about factor affecting climate of India and we will continue our discussion with air pressure. Friends, India के north and north western parts में westerly flow के द्वारा एक western cyclonic disturbance पाई जाती है. When we talk about this western disturbance, then it is an additional tropical storm originating in the Mediterranean that bring sudden winter rain to the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent. The moisture in this storm usually originate in Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. Now friends, let's move ahead. Friends, in this video, we have learnt about factor affecting climate of India, and the reference is Geography Class 9 textbook. And in next video, we will see the Indian monsoon and the onset and withdrawal of the monsoon. Till then, thank you.